Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Simple Nutrition, giving solutions to everyday nutrition problems. And on today's episode, we are talking about food myths and how far do you agree with this? So number one, mushrooms have no nutrition value, true or false? So mushrooms are actually nutritious. Talk about the B vitamins, which are good even for strict vegans who don't take meat and other animal source proteins. They can get their B vitamins from mushrooms. We're also talking about proteins. We're talking about fiber, which is good for your digestion and prevention of even conditions like constipation. They also provide for potassium, which is good for your blood pressure, and also they contain no cholesterol. That means they're good for your heart, and also they are low in calories. That means they're good for weight loss. So it's not true that mushrooms have no nutrition value. Mushrooms are actually very nutritious. Number two, you must drink 8 glasses of water every day. Yes or no? So the amount of water you take in a day totally depends on how active you are. Suppose you're very physically active, that you may end up drinking more than 8 glasses of water in a day. But if you're less active, then you might even end up drinking lesser than 8 glasses in a day. You can also get water from fruits like the watermelon and even foods like soups. But yes, drinking more water every day keeps your body happy. So no, you don't have to drink 8 glasses of water every day. It will go higher or lower depending on how active or physically active you are. Number three, eating fruits is just the same as eating candy. True or false? So I think the thing you're thinking right now is sugar, and both fruits and the candy will give you sugar, but fruits come with more than just sugar because they'll also provide for antioxidants, they'll provide for the vitamins, the fiber, the minerals, all those things that are good for your body. So besides the fruits giving sugar, they also come with elements like the vitamins, the antioxidants that help you fight diseases and also prevent infections. So it's not true that eating fruits is just the same as eating candy, because candy will only give you sugar and probably high blood sugar levels. Number four, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Yes or no? So yes, because it's good to start your day with a good meal. It just kinds of bring a positive energy to work and become productive. And no, because there's always that bad energy, bad vibes that come with eating breakfast, and then you end up eating junk. The rest of the meals of the day, you end up eating junk because of the breakfast that you took. So it's just good to say that all meals are equally important so that you have a good healthy breakfast, a good healthy lunch, a good healthy dinner, and even healthier snacks in between, depending on your preference. All right. And lastly, red wine is good for your heart, yes or no? So the question you should ask yourself here is that just how many glasses would be enough? And besides, is your reason for drinking wine specific to heart health? So if not, then you have to find other things that are good for your heart, like changing your lifestyle perhaps. So you cannot say that red wine is good for your heart, because most people always tend to use that as an excuse and take so much wine that eventually brings more danger to your body than good. So did you learn something today? Let me know in the comment section below. Let me know about other food myths that you think are so popular. And thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, bye.